morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very fine, exciting, and thrilling morning for all of you, as I can see. We have gathered here for the auspicious listing of global ocean logistics on the prestigious platform of BSE. I, Jia Solanki, wholeheartedly welcome you all. We are delighted to have you all here to mark this significant occasion in the company and its journey. This is no small feat and this is no small milestone, but definitely it is the beginning of a bigger journey ahead. And on that note, I request all my dear guest members to please stand up for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you all. Please be seated. As you all know that we have gathered here to celebrate such an important milestone in the company's journey. And whenever we begin something new, something big, and take on a journey, a challenge in our life, we always start it by taking blessings from God. And today that we are starting this new journey of the company Global Ocean Logistics, let me also invite our dear audience and panel members to come forward and light a lamp in the name of God. For that, I invite our esteemed guests, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME from BSE. I also invite on the stage Mr. Neeraj Narsaria, Chairman and Managing Director of Global Ocean Logistics. I also invite forward Mr. Bipin Bhanushali, President, MCG Group. I also invite on forward Mr. Ivan Dakota, President of Regional Sales Head and of Global Ocean Logistics Limited. I also invite forward Mr. Brijesh Lohia, Ms. Radhika Maheshwari from MCG Group, and Mr. Viraj Mehta, consultant to the company. I request all of them to please come forward near the lamp and light the lamp in name of God to ask for blessings, prosperity, health and wisdom.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Thank you to all the audience members, panel, esteemed guests. Thank you so much for joining. I request you all to please take your respective seats. Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam, Arogyam Dhanasampadam, which beautifully means that the lamp that we've just lit, we pray to the jyot of the same lamp that it provides us with wisdom, health, knowledge, and prosperity. Such a beautiful start to this event, and I would like to move forward by inviting on stage Mr. Neeraj Narsaria, Chairman and Managing Director of Global Ocean Logistics, to join us on the stage to welcome our esteemed guests of today, starting with Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME at BSE. I request Neeraj sir to please join us on the stage and to present the flower bouquet to our esteemed guest, Radha ma'am. To remain standing. And next, I invite our esteemed guest, Mr. Bipin Bhanushali, President Investment Banking, Marwani Chandarana Group, who were the book running lead manager. Let me tell you a little bit about the company that we've all gathered for here today. Global Ocean Logistics. Based in India, Global Ocean Logistics India Limited provides end-to-end multi-modal logistics solutions across ocean, air, road, and rail. It has operations through major Indian ports and have pan-India operations covering over 23 states as well as union territories. With license and certifications of MTO, FMC, AEO, FFFI, ISO, WCA, and JC Trans, it has specialized in providing services to importers sourcing goods from key regions, including Europe, USA, South Africa, China, Southeast Asia, and the Gulf countries as well. And with that little brief introduction, let me call somebody from the company who knows about the company the best. Mr. Neeraj Narsaria, Chairman and Managing Director of Global Ocean Logistics, to please join us on the stage and share a few happy words with us.
Good evening all. Thanks for coming. We welcome you. It is a privilege and honor to see you guys here. It is a moment for us which we cannot forget ever in life. Thank you for coming so early and sharing your precious time, making this moment more special and means a lot to us. Thank you. I will also like to thank our investors who have believed in us, our stakeholders, our underwriters, our brokers. We thank you all for investing in our company and just being a part of the global family. We would also like to thank BSE by giving we SMA companies a platform who can grow to leaps and bounds and to be a part and to achieve their goals. Thank you, BSE, for that. And a very warm welcome to Marwadi Chandana Group for just believing in us and supporting us, giving us the directions and support so that what we can do is possible. And a very, very special and warm thanks to Bipinji, Radhika ji, and whole Marwadi Chandanana Group. Thank you guys, for making our dream come true. Lastly, I will also like to thank our CA and CS team to be in continuous flow for all the documentation, all the requirements, everything, so that we can come true with this journey. Thank you. Thank you, Dharmesh ji. Thank you, Viraj ji. And a very special thanks to Paresh, our own member of our family. He has dedicatedly worked so hard to achieve this. Thank you all. And now, to the global family. Without the global family and our team, nothing was possible. We thank all the global people, all the global family members. So now, global family, want to ask, this is it? This is it? No, this is just a beginning. This is just the beginning of a new era. Well, logistic industry in India is of 350 billion, and the international global logistic industry is of 9.5 trillion. So global team, we have a long way to grow. Let's do it. Let's do it. This is just a beginning. Let's do it. Dear all, thanks to being the part of the global family by supporting us. Let's grow together. Thank you. Thank you all. Ma'am can come now.
Thank you so much, sir. I've never been invited on the stage like this before. Okay. Moving forward, I'd also like to invite on the stage Ms. Radhika Maheshwari, AVP Investment Banking from Marwadi Chandarana Group, who are the book-running lead manager to the issue, to join us on the stage and share a few words with us. Please, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. It's truly a privilege for us as a merchant banker to stand here and be part of this landmark movement. This listing ceremony for the company is not about just ringing the bell, it's their journey and vision. It has been almost a year since we are working with them. It's not about their, we have not seen just number, process, but a story of their ambition. I would like to acknowledge Neeraj ji. He has been very energetic and enthused throughout the process. We are very confident with his leadership that the company will create more value to the stakeholders. Thank you for trusting us throughout the process. And on behalf of MCG team, I would like to congratulate for a successful listing. And thank you for allowing us to be part of this memorable journey. We wish you continued success and many milestones ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Moving forward, I would like to invite on stage our esteemed guest of today, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME from BSE. I request ma'am to please join us on the stage and share a few words with us.
Good morning, everybody, and a warm welcome to each one of you. As we gather here to celebrate the listing of equity shares of Global Ocean Logistics Limited. इतने सारे लोगों को यहाँ देख के मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कंपनी ने अभी माइग्रेट कर लिया है एंड मेन बोर्ड का इशू है ये. If I can say something about the logistics business, I would begin by saying, without logistics, the world stops. So that important is this business. This is the 684th company to be listed on our BSE SME exchange. And incidentally, the 683rd company was also into logistics business. We are happy to note that Global Logistics, which had its humble beginning, is today a provider of multimodal logistics solutions spanning across air, water, road, and railways. This achievement is not just about scale, but it's about impact. It's about believing in what you can do, in what an SME can achieve. SMEs like Global Ocean are the backbone of Indian economy, which provides employment, contributes to the GDP and the exports of the company, and platforms like the BSE SME platform helps such SME to bring them into the capital market, help them raising funds, and help them in growing the companies. As I said, BSE has empowered BSE SME has empowered 684 companies to raise over 14,000 crores. And the market capitalization of all these companies put together today is over 2 lakh crores. So this is how, again, the companies grew. As we celebrate this important milestone, I would like to congratulate the promoter, the management, the board of directors of Global Ocean for taking this bold step. It's not an easy step. It's not easy to come in the forefront, to engage with such large stakeholders. It's that because you believe that your company follows the practices of transparency, good governance, that has given you confidence to come and list here. So congratulations to all of you. BSE, as you all know, holds the distinction of being the oldest. We are 150 years old and the largest exchange in the terms of number of companies that are listed on our exchange. On the main board, we have over 5,000 companies. And very soon, we would like to see Global Ocean also being one of them. Let the success of Global Ocean inspire other eligible SMEs to tap the capital market and reap its benefits. I would also like to congratulate Marwari Chandarana Group, the registrars, the legal counsels, and all the intermediaries who were involved in making this company get listed. Thank you. And all the very best to the company.
Ms. Radha ma'am. Bringing an IPO is not an easy process. I'm sure the book running lead manager agency and other agencies that have been supporting the company, as well as the employees of the company, know how long the process takes. There is a lot of compliance, there's a lot of effort, dedication that goes into bringing an IPO. But before that, to bring an IPO, to bring a company to the level of an IPO is much bigger feat, takes much more effort and takes much more dedication. So let me take a moment right now and ask my dear audience members to please give a huge round of applause to the entire company, employees, management, and those who are from Global Oceans. जोरदार तालियां खुद के लिए भी बजा दीजिए आप. Because you are the ones who make the company and break the company, right? And you are the foundation who will bring the company much more success going forward, because listing is just the beginning, as Radha ma'am said. Moving forward, I invite once again our esteemed guest, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME from BSE, to please join us on the stage and present memento from BSE to company promoter Mr. Neeraj Narsaria, Chairman and Managing Director of Global Ocean Logistics. I request sir to please join us on the stage and to take this honor from BSE. Thank you so much, Neeraj sir. I request Radha ma'am to please present our next memento to Mr. Bipin Bhanushali, President, Investment Banking, and Ms. Radhika Maheshwari from Marwari Chandarana Group, who were the merchant banker to the issue. I request both of them to please join us on the stage. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. I request you to please remain standing, and I also invite on the stage company promoter Mr. Neeraj Narsaria, Chairman and Managing Director of Global Ocean Logistics, to join us on the stage and present a memento to our esteemed guest of today, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME from BSE. Thank you so much, Neeraj sir. I request Radha ma'am to please remain standing, and I invite on the stage Mr. Bipin Bhanushali, President MCG Group, to present a memento from Marwani Chandarana Group to our esteemed guest, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. Moving forward, I invite on the stage Ms. Radhika Maheshwari, AVP Investment Banking from MCG Group, to please join us on the stage. And I also invite on the stage company promoter, Mr. Neeraj Narsaria, to join us and accept this token from the merchant banker to the issue, Marwadi Chandarana Group. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. As I said, bringing an IPO is not an easy feat, and there are a lot of people involved over months, over years to make this happen. And today, now that we are celebrating this success, let us also bask in the glory of the gratitude we have gathered over the time. Let me invite on the stage company promoter, Mr. Neeraj Narsaria, Chairman and Managing Director of Global Ocean Logistics, to join us forward and present our mementos as a token of gratitude and thank you from the company to Mr. Bipin Bhanushali and Ms. Radhika Maheshwari, along with the entire MCG group, who were the merchant banker to the issue. I request Bipin sir, Radhika ma'am, and MCG group to join us on the stage. Thank you so much to the entire team of MCG. Moving forward, I invite on the stage Mr. Anand Mehta, promoter, Global Ocean Logistics, to join us on the stage and present our next memento from the company to Mr. Viraj Mehta, consultant to the company. I request Viraj sir to please join us on the stage and take this honor from the company. Thank you so much, sir. I request Anand sir to please remain standing and present our next memento to Vidhigya Associates, who were the legal counsel to the offer. I request the team or somebody from the team of Vidhigya Associates to please join us on the stage. I request Anand sir to please present the memento. Thank you so much, sir. I request Anand sir to remain standing. And for the next memento, I would like to invite on the stage RJS Palja and company, who are the statutory auditors to the issue. I request somebody from their team, please join us on the stage. And I request Anand sir to please come forward and present the memento to the company. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Anand sir. For the next memento, I invite on the stage Mr. Satish from Global Ocean Logistics, and I invite KFIN Technologies Limited, who are the RTA to the issue. Somebody from the team of KFIN, please join us on the stage and accept this token from the company. Moving forward, I invite on the stage Kotak Mahindra Bank, who are banker to the issue. I request people of Kotak Mahindra Bank to please join us on the stage. Thank you so much, sir. I request Satish sir to please remain standing and present our next memento to High Care Public Relations. I request somebody from the team of High Care to please join us on the stage and accept this memento from the company. Thank you so much. I request Satish sir to please present our next memento to DBS Bank. I request Mr. Tushar from DBS Bank to please join us on the stage, and they were the banker to the company. Thank you so much. I request Mr. Satish Singh, Whole-Time Director, to present our next memento to Zalak Mehta, PCS to the company. I request Zalak ma'am to please join us on the stage. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. For the next memento, I invite on the stage Mr. Neeraj Narsaria, Chairman and Managing Director, to join us on the stage and present a memento to NR Agarwal Industries Limited. I request the team of NR Agarwal to please join us on the stage. I request Dharmesh Bhai to please join us instead on the stage. Mr. Dharmesh, I request you to please join us instead. Thank you so much. For the next one, I invite Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Neeraj, sir. Moving forward, I invite on the stage to present the memento Mr. Ivan DaCosta, President of Global Ocean Logistics, to join us on the stage and present a memento to the Purple Ventures Management Consultant, LLP, Mr. Atit Sangvi from Purple Ventures. I invite him on the stage to take this memento from the company. I see the spirit of applause is slowly going down, which should not happen on such a happy occasion. So just for fun, let's do at least one round of applause so I can check the spirit of my dear audience. Thank you so much. For the next one, I invite on the stage Mr. Satish B. Singh, Whole-Time Director of Global Ocean Logistics, to join us on the stage and present our next memento to MSC Agency India Private Limited. I request somebody from the team of MSC to please join us on the stage. Thank you so much. I request Satish sir to please remain standing and present our next to PIL. I request somebody from the team of PIL to please join us on the stage and accept this memento from the company. And I request Satish sir to please present it. Thank you so much, sir. I request Satish sir to please present our next memento to CMA Shipping Line. I request somebody from the CMA Shipping Line to please join us on the stage and accept this memento as a token of thank you and gratitude from the company. Thank you so much. For the next one, I invite on the stage Hapag Shipping Line. I request Satish sir to please present the memento to Hapag Shipping Line. Thank you so much to Satish sir and to all the agencies who have been attached in this entire IPO process. A big thank you and note of gratitude to all those who haven't been on the stage but have been just as important as a part of this company. To begin with, let me tell you about something that whenever we start something, whenever we put a foundation for something, there are always people who support us from the backstage. It is always wives, mothers, daughters, friends, sons, brothers, and well-wishers who are always on the backstage supporting us, holding down the fort so that we take on bigger and bigger challenges of bringing success. And today, while I have the opportunity, let me ask all my dear audience members to give all these people a big round of applause as they too share a little portion of this success for supporting, motivating, and encouraging the entire team constantly. Moving forward, I would also like to invite on the stage to give a note of gratitude and thank you, Mr. Ivan DaCosta, President of Global Ocean Logistics, to join us on the stage and give a note of thanks from the company to you all.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you all for coming. I am the youngest guy in the company today. And because of that, there were a lot of surprises. The first surprise was I was rechristened by the lovely compere. I was confused when she announced my name. And the second one was when I was told just now that I'm supposed to be giving the vote of thanks. So I've just penned down a few things just now. Yeah, I'm cool. Yeah. No. So today marks a very proud milestone for Global Ocean Logistics as we list on the Bombay Stock Exchange, reflecting years of commitment, resilience, and disciplined growth. This listing strengthens our resolve to support India's expanding role in the global trade while upholding the highest standards of transparency and governance. We thank all our stakeholders and shareholders for their trust as we embark on this next phase of long-term value creation. Thank you all. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank a couple of people. Mr. Brijesh Lohia, I wanted to give him a big hand. He's been the He's been the guiding force of this company and the other companies we have also. Mr. Neeraj Narsaria. Give him a big hand. There's something very surprising about our company. When I see a lot of companies, there are the people who work for the company, the owners of the company who bring the company up, But over here, I've seen family and friends support us so much. I don't know much of the names, but I wish to thank you all also. Give them a big hand, all the family and friends. And a few pillars of our company. Mr. Anil Verma, give him a big hand. Mr. Satish Singh, give him a big hand. He's a director also. And our whole team who's here behind us. Please stand, guys, all of you. Please stand. I would like you to stand. Come on, stand, all the Global Ocean team. Stand, come on. All of you stand. Give these guys a big hand. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Ivan sir. A beautiful moment Ivan sir created, and I didn't want to break the round of applause and the happiness going around. But it is time for me to invite my dear panel members, esteemed guests, family members, to please join me on this stage near the bell, as the moment where all of us have been waiting for has been arrived. I request company promoters, our esteemed guests, Radha ma'am and Bipin sir from MCG Group. I also request family members to please quickly gather near the bell for the bell ringing. It is 9:59 already, and soon, as you can see, the countdown has started right there. It is 40 seconds left only. I request my dear promoters, all the people that have, come on the stage to please arrange themselves quickly near the bell. And I request my dear audience members that when the countdown hits 10 seconds, I request all of you to please join me in and count down. As you can see, 20 seconds left now. I request all of you to please arrange yourselves for a beautiful photograph. Last 15 seconds left. And now, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Let me just take a moment. Thank you to all of you. Before we begin the pictures, I would just like to take a moment and thank all my dear audience members for taking out time from their schedules and joining us here. Needed, sir, I would just like to ask 1 minute of your time to thank my dear audience members, all promoters, our esteemed guests, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, who has joined us from BSE, book running lead manager to the issue, Mr. Bipin Bhanushali from MCG Merchant Banker to the issue, and my dear audience member, thank you so much for joining us here. Every beginning must come to a bittersweet end, and this comes to a bittersweet end as well. Thank you so much for joining us here. I invite you all for breakfast. We have arranged, as well as photographs if you would like to take it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thanks all for joining us today and be the part of this beautiful journey which we are going to begin. Thank you all for coming. It means a lot to us. Thank you all. And please don't go without the breakfast.
I would like to take a moment from your time to thank one important guest. For that, I would like to call forward on the stage Mr. Neeraj Narsaria, Chairman and Managing Director of Global Ocean Logistics, and Mr. Yogesh Verma to join us on the stage and take this memento as a token of gratitude from the company. Is Yogesh sir in the audience with us? Yes, sir. Please join us on the stage. I request Neeraj sir to please join us on the stage. I request members standing near the bell to just come this side for a moment as we are giving a memento away. I request dear audience members to please come this side of the bell. I request dear audience members to please give them a huge round of applause. नाश्ते में busy हो चुके हैं, but तालियां तो बज सकती है यार. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all of you. Now you can all proceed with the photographs. Thank you.